Today I want to introduce you the backrest we developed with saddlebags and a quick release function. And I'm going to show you how to put it on. And first, remove the seat. And there are two screws over here, remember to take it off. And then the cord. Put the passenger seat down. And put the screws back. And the seat back on. And then take the backrest, slide it in, and as you can see there are two locks. Lock them up and the installation is complete, and you can see it's very steady. And to take it off, just unlock on the other side, lift it up, pull it back, and that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching.